In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact manually in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information matters most, and a few tips to keep your contact list clean and useful. First, open your Freshdesk dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Customers icon. It's the little silhouette. Click that to open the Customers area. This is where all your people and companies live in Freshdesk. If your sidebar is collapsed, hovering over it will reveal the labels so you can find customers more easily. Once you're in Customers, head to the top right and click the New Contact button. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the person's details. Think of it as their profile card your team will use whenever they reach out for help. Start with the full name. This field is required and it's worth entering it exactly as the customer prefers. Proper capitalization helps your replies feel polished and personal. Next, add the email address. This is also required and it's important because Freshdesk uses the email as the unique identifier for that contact. If the address is already in your system, Freshdesk will let you know so you don't create a duplicate. Take a moment to confirm spelling here. A mistyped email can prevent tickets from linking correctly. You can add a phone number as well. It's optional but highly useful for callback support or SMS workflows. Include the country code if your team works across regions. It makes dialing and automation more reliable. In the company field, start typing to link the contact to an existing account. As you type, Freshdesk will suggest matches. Choose the right one to keep reporting and conversations organized under that company. If you don't see a match right now, that's fine. You can always connect the contact to a company later. If your organization tracks extra details, this is the place to add them. Job title helps your agents understand the person's role and decision-making level. Setting the time zone can improve response timing and reduce back and forth. And if you've created custom fields, like product model, subscription tier, or customer ID, fill them in to power better routing, SLAs, and analytics. When everything looks good, click Create. Freshdesk will save the contact and take you to their profile, where any future tickets and interactions will automatically roll up. That's it. You've added a contact manually the right way.